we saw how to create levels in Revit through Dynamo. But the problem with this script is if you increase the integer slider, the nomenclature of these levels would not come as a proper solution or an appropriate nomenclature. If I decrease it and then increase it again, as you can see, the nomenclature is not like level 1, level 2, 3, 4. Okay, so how can we change the nomenclature of levels? So in this particular video, we will learn or we will combine the knowledge of last 2-3 videos which we have done so far. So we need to set the name of the level. So we'll use the same node which is set parameter by name. Okay, elements would be level only. Parameter name. So name would be name of the level. So we'll use Spring and then we'll type name. Now for the values, we actually need to create a sequence from level 2 to whatever the numbers you are providing here. Okay, so we'll use the same node again, that is sequence. The starting amount would be, let's say 2, because the level 1 is the default level. So the starting amount would be 2. The amount would be the same which we are placing for the levels, and then step would be 1. So I will just copy the number node and put 1. So the sequence would be 2, 3, 4 like this. Now for setting up the name, we actually need level plus whatever the number is. So we'll use addition node, which we have discussed in the last video. We'll put a string again. We'll write down level and spacebar for the X value, and for the Y value, we'll add this sequence. Now the nomenclature would be like this. Now if I connect with this to value, as you can see, the nomenclature will automatically correct itself. Now if I decrease or increase the values, it will come as a proper nomenclature like you can see.